Hello everyone, welcome to this fourth and final video in this video series. It's a bonus video where I've been teasing throughout the course about how to use QuickStart to quickly accelerate the growth of your website, and this video is going to cover just that. There's going to be a lot of repeat functions that we're going to be going through. This is more of a test, I suppose, for you to see how well you paid attention and to see how well you grasp the concepts. But this also shows you now exactly how easy it is for you to get a website up and running using pre-used or pre-ready content at least. Okay, so the website that you're looking at right now is from joomdev.com, and they offer a whole range of different products in regards to Joomla, and one of them, or some of them, being free QuickStart templates. So as you have a look here, you can see all these different designs available are for you to use for free completely. Let's just have a look at one real quick. Let's look at the JD Boston. Let's click on the demo function, and obviously you can download it if you want. I've in actual fact got a download on my desktop already that I'll be using, and it will be the JD Atlanta one. But let's just have a look at the JD Boston quick. This is a quick start and what the quick start for this template comes with. So as you can see, it might look pretty advanced. It's actually really beautiful, but really editable as well. And I'm going to just help you guys set this up and show you how to get to this point where you can start editing your own templates, your own QuickStart templates at least. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to download the program. Right here, you click on your download and you download the QuickStart. Yeah, we have different options available. If you want, you can download just the template, the entire QuickStart, the standalone, or as well as download Kuna, which is a forums extension. Allows your website to actually have a forum sort of discussion threads available. He has also a lot of information available for you of third-party extensions, as well as how you can install it. It basically gives you basic. You can use the standard Joomla installer, compatibility, a bit of screenshots, all the information here, and supports included that this company offers. Okay, so you would just simply click on download the QuickStart. It would download as it did for me. Yeah, I have it, and if I just check it, 60 megs as it says, and if you open it up, I've got the entire content of the website available. So if you can recall, we're going to now copy the QuickStart, and we're going to navigate to our C drive, our Xamp folder, our htdocs, and we're going to just paste it in there. Once it's pasted, we're going to extract it to the Atlanta folder. Now this is about 6 times bigger than the standard Joomla install because of all the extras it comes with. So the extraction period might take a bit of time, but 5 minutes or so. It could be quicker. So again, I'm going to just pause this video and I'm going to resume once the extraction is completed. Okay, the extraction is completed. Here's the folder right here in the htdocs. Wow, check the size, it's massive, 130 megabytes. So we know it's extracted successfully. Now what we need to do is I'm going to rename it to Atlanta so we can gain better access to the folder. And if you can recall, we need to now go to our local host, and we need to go to our phpMyAdmin section and create a second database. So we go to databases. I'm going to call it Atlanta DB. I'm just going to copy that on my clipboard. I'm going to create it, and I'm going to create a new tab. I'm going to go to local /localhost /Atlanta, and we're going to see the installation process start. Okay, now this might be a bit of a different, well, as you can see, it's completely different from our previous install, but that's because this version of Joomla itself and the QuickStart comes with its own added components and extensions, such as a backup generator and all that. So again, if you are a bit confused, they tell you do not panic. You can watch a video right here on how to do it, or you can just simply read some documentation on it as well. But this is primarily the default pre-check to make sure everything is in order, which it is. So we're going to go ahead and click next, and we're going to start with the installation. Now here we go. I'm going to change the database name to what I've already created. We're going to keep it as obviously localhost. The username is root. That's right, and we're going to click on next, and it's going to start restoring the database. I'm just going to wait for it to complete, and while this is happening, I'm going to it does not really take that long, don't worry, but I will pause the video and resume once the download, or once the restoration at least is completed. Okay, I'm back. The restoration took about 5 extra minutes, and we're now going to continue on to the next step. And this is the site setup, the basic parameters that we've obviously done previously, where we get to choose our site name. Again, you can obviously edit all this information. I'm going to leave the site parameters as it is for now, because I don't actually need to edit it. I'm not going to be working with it. I will just add my password, which is admin 007. My login is admin, and I'm going to go to the next step. Never. Okay, now it's basically saying we're finished. Again, just remove the installation directory, which I'll do, and it's done. Now we can get started and we can go view the front end of the website. Let's do it. And there you have it. Localhost /Atlanta. We've got the site installed. All the information is here already, exactly the same from the previous demo, and we can start editing immediately. It's quite amazing with what you can do with Joomla itself. I really hope you guys did enjoy this bonus video and the series in general. I'm just going to log into administrator itself, log in, and I'm going to preview the site, and from here you can start editing information. If you have a look, for example, you've got your About Atlanta page, you got your home page with its standard information. All you would do is you would go straight to your content articles, and you would notice all the information is here already. You can start editing it, whatever you want to do. Let's just try and find something that you can edit. Yeah, you got your web design portfolio. As you can see, here we have web design. You got your home page, information on your home page. You select that. You might notice that basically what we're looking at here is an HTML editor. So you obviously, if you're a newcomer, you're not familiar with this sort of system. So I'm going to show you how you change that real quick. All you would basically do is let's close that. You would go to your system, global configuration, and you would change your default editor from CodeMirror to the tiny MCE. Save and close that. And if we go back to our article editor and we go back to the home page article, you'll notice the ribbon should be there again, along with all the information that you can edit. Latest stories from our blog. It's simple dummy content. You know, all that information is here. You just got to find it and you can edit it accordingly. Another quick tip that you can actually use as well to get yourself started is to go to templates, template manager, and simply go to the far right here, go to the options section, enable preview mode, save it, and if we go back to the actual styles of the template manager, you can see Atlanta here. It's got the star and it's got like a master tag there. you click on the little eyeball, it shows you a preview of all the positions of all the content, so you know exactly where to find it. This here, all this information is in the position showcase A. These are in fact modules. So all you would do is you would go to your extensions module manager, and you would go to the search function and browse according to the position you want to access. You've got your home page accordion, your home page A position, shows you what's there, latest from our blog, and it just tells you what type of module it is and what information goes into that specific module. This one basically says that it displays the blog articles itself. So you just close that. Let's find something else that we can sort of edit. Just go back to select position, and for example your About Us module, yeah, we can start editing it immediately. I'm pretty sure if we go to the website, we go to the About Us section, if you have to find it, you would just from there, let's click on the tab. There we go. That's looking familiar. There's all the information right there. So easy to use. Yes, it is. Save and close. Preview the site. Oh, I've got it open here. Let's refresh it. And there we go. Changes are starting to happen immediately. So that's how you would use the Joomla QuickStart functions. This is just one specific QuickStart that's available that I've used off the net randomly at random. I've never used it before. As you can see myself navigating in the back end. You're more than welcome to go out there and try and find yourself a less complicated, a more limited but yet user-friendly QuickStart. It'll help you through your learning process, but this is exactly what you need if you're feeling confident and if you feel you can sort of edit in the back end of Joomla itself, and you can start working on your website from there directly. Just remember, regardless to the sections that you access, make sure you look around and see what options are available. You know, if you're going to go to this part of the website, make sure you put in the correct email address and all that, and just have fun, learn, break, and learn all over again. That's how you can learn web design by yourself, free, just by using these simple steps. Hope you guys enjoyed this series as much as I did. Please, if you have any advice, do not hesitate to let me know. I would love to come back and streamline my videos and perhaps add extra and additional free content, maybe of something I've spoken about, or just something that you feel might be beneficial for the members of this course. Thanks again, have fun everyone, good luck, and see you soon in my next videos.